capital today. So that's the thing that's moving it. It's here that
over this.
Sorry guys, stand by. We're just getting everybody in.
All right, I am back on vMix. Can anyone hear me? Nope. Brian, can you move your book map along, please? Yeah, I sure can. Let's look at Tesla. Nope. Nope, can't hear anything. $137 here. Not a lot of indication as to where it's going to go at the open, but the order book is bearish. AMD, not really giving, no, the order book is fairly bullish here. And Google's got a big order at 196.
Google wants 200.
I'm gonna get a long 424, 425.89. All right, so I'm gonna partial fill on that. Let's see if we can go higher.
I covered
Didn't
some
quite,
hut
we didn't quite do a 1 minute image breakup. Fuck, it's almost
at
there.
at 29.40. See if it can drop lower here.
So I'm long Tesla at 424, 425 as a matter of fact. Let's see if
AMD
we
is
can.
going. It's trying to break out.
All right, so here
Yeah,
we
I'm long
go.
Tesla. Long Tesla as well with you.
427. Let's see if you can get the break of high pre-market. Is it at 427? It's kind of heavy trading it, so
A lot of orders there at 427. Okay, I'm gonna get stopped out of hut here on the rest by the looks of it.
on which one?
Hut.
Hot, huh? SMCI is also interesting. I mean, let's see, focus on Tesla. Let's see what is happening on Tesla. What is happening on Tesla? Shit. See what Tesla is doing. It's kind of the first minute could turn out to be doji.
It's kind of a dog's breakfast.
Yeah.
Rejected. Nvidia really sold off here.
All right, I'm gonna get a stop that on Tesla, guys, at 423.80. So I'm gonna stop that on Tesla. Let's see. First few minutes on Tesla might be a little bit tricky. Uber didn't do anything. NVIDIA sold off. Didn't partial on Tesla property, so just holding it. AMD's nothing. Uber selling off. I still have an eye on Tesla. Let's see what's gonna happen if it comes back up. I just got out to manage my risk. Let's see what's happening. Tomorrow, the crypto is up on. Crypto is at 101. Tomorrow looks like it wants to go higher.
It's got long some hut now.
Tomorrow looks like it wants to break the highs.
Here we go. long hut at 40, 30, 40. It's gonna go to 31 here.
Google
Just
looks like it's
selling. I'm selling some 78. So
Which
I got the
one?
view up. I'm still trading hut.
Hot. So NVIDIA is at S4. It's down 2%. PLTR. Oh, PLTR is at 74. Wow, PLTR is the trade of the day. Look at that.
Trade PLTRs. I kind of looked at that. Should have. PLTR has it's back. See where it goes.
Tesla's short on Tesla, 422.
Yeah, Tesla's looking
short
interesting.
on Tesla now at 422. See if the Tesla can do opening range break down towards 420. Although not a great entry, so.
No, it's right into S3.
Yeah. Definitely super choppy.
As for NVIDIA.
Yes. short Tesla. Let's see what's going to happen on it.
I'm short NVIDIA. Just covering some here at 135.90. Here we go.
This Tesla is still not going down. PLTR seems interesting. I'm gonna get a long on PLTR 74.23. PLTR goes to 75. PLTR is super strong.
Tesla's trying to bounce here. Just watch out if it fails this 420 level. It'll get smoked.
I'm long PLTR at 74.34. Might get out of Tesla at break even. Gives me a break even point. So Tesla, see if it can go down. I'm long PLTR, guys. All right, so Tesla is breaking down. 420 PLTR. Let's see if you can go 74.50. Right, so I'm covering some of my shorts on Tesla here for 2037. Just good to get the loss back. Getting out some of PLTR here at 74.54 too. I still have 3,000 shares of Tesla covering now 419. That's nice. Oh man, we're getting some really nice drop on Tesla.
Yeah, I'm long some puts on Tesla.
All right, PLTR is popping. PLTR 75 I want. Or partially on PLTR too a little bit. I got a big size in PLTR. Now I have only 7,000 shares. Let's see if Tesla can go a little bit lower. Am I back to break even? Yes, so almost I made losses back. So PLTR getting out a little bit more, covering also my, yeah, PLTR is going to go through 75. Huge ask sitting on 75. R4 is at 75.25. So I'm partialing a little bit more on PLTR. I have 5,000 shares.
Nice trade on PLTR.
Yeah, as soon as I saw that 935 doji bounce back, so I saw this is going to be a long all day.
I'm just I keep taking partial profits and then just getting stopped out on the rest of these trades. So I'm making headway, but it's slow going.
So, right, I'm getting a stop out, guys, on Tesla. I'm all out on Tesla, guys.
And Tesla's bouncing back. Watch it at the 9 EMA. Might reject here.
PLTR partially more, 17.19. Beautiful, guys. That was a great trade on PLTR. Then I'm back into the green. Yeah, Tesla is super doji type. It's really trading very wildly. Anyone took PLTR 5-minute pre-range breakout? Excellent. Yeah, that was great trade. So Tesla, I think, has the potential to go lower. I just got stopped out of the break even. I probably shouldn't have because now it's going to the low of the day. There you go.
There we go. Nice. I just I'm short some of the or I'm long the 420 puts. Just got a really nice move there. I'm selling some.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, I had to wait for that bounce back. I got in. I knew it was too late to chase it. When you were selling some. Oh man. Okay, here we go.
Oh damn.
Diddly doodly. All right, selling more. $8.50.
Just, Brian, when you have a chance, it's not that urgent. Bring your camera a little bit toward your face because now you're very on the very edge of margin of the.
Oh, you want to see the bearable trade. You don't want to see my
No,
face.
we
You
want
want
to
to
see
see
a
bearable.
beautiful, pretty face. I got so many messages from ladies that, oh, we want to have better
Yeah.
view. All right, so NVIDIA is bouncing. NVIDIA
Yeah.
bounced very nicely.
NVIDIA bouncing. Oh, look at this. Peter's here. Peter's in Vegas, I think.
Peter's in Vegas. Yeah, he's having fun
Yeah.
in Vegas right now.
Tony.
All right, guys, PLTR. I'm going to add a little bit more on PLTR. So the PLTR is a little bit tricky. I'm going to add a little bit on PLTR. See if I don't get stopped out, hopefully, for the next pop-up.
Wow, AMD
Above
is
75, I might add a little bit more for the next break of high of the day. PLTR is trading at all-time high. No, it's not trading at all-time high. I think it was here a few days ago. But potentially 76 is a target that we can get. If not, we get stopped out on it. Tesla is still setting off. I wish I was still short on it.
Yeah, I'm pretty much out of my run out of puts there to sell, so made me happy.
Seeing if PLTR can do another break of high of the day or not. Shoes are coming up. SPY is coming up. SMCI.
The Dow is actually green on the day.
Yeah, SMCI was nice. SMCI, I was watching SMCI too. Should have gone long SMCI. Right, SMCI is gonna looks like it wants to go 39.20. Pierre had SMCI on.
He did.
Yeah, SMCI. I'm watching SMCI right now in my screen. You can see it, but the problem is I don't know if I want to get in there. See what PLTR doing. Oh, PLTR is back to my break-even point. Let's see what PLTR is doing. PLTR is a little bit tricky here. It's right at my break-even point. I should officially stop out on it. All right, I'm gonna get stopped out on PLTR, guys. I'm all out of that. Yeah, I'm all out of PLTR.
I'm long AMD for the heck of it. It's gonna go 132.
CNA.
Big order here. Just sold through 132.
You're long AMD, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah, AMD is a very nice price
kind
action.
of
Yeah, it
breaking.
was
Yeah, it's
nice.
just kind of breaking out here. Just sold some more at 132. I'm not sure how much more upside it's got.
Nothing, NVIDIA, nothing. So I'm actually flat for
Well,
the day.
well,
I didn't make much money.
Microsoft is breaking out here. It's at R4 though. I wouldn't go chasing it.
MSTR is coming back up. Yeah, it's very interesting. My internet is pretty good.
Keep an eye on Google here. It looks like it might try to. It's been hovering just below PDC here, but it looks like it wants to go up.
All right, guys. So I'm pretty flat for the day. You can see my P&L. I had a really bad loss on the Tesla at the open. I didn't take profit. PLTR and Tesla short was profitable, but I'm up only $400. I wish I can buy food for myself.
You can pay for the insurance on your Lambo
That's even more than
for a
that.
day.
For a day. We're gonna find something. We're gonna find something. SMCI is interesting. Roku, Tesla. I missed all the fun on Tesla. Congratulations to John. Um, um, very believer of Elon Musk and hodler of Tesla. So Tesla kind of consolidating down here at 417. SPY, Uber, yeah, Uber breaking out.
Yeah, Uber's breaking out here.
Breaking out.
Still waiting for AMD to move up. Maybe hoping to get to maybe 132.80.
It's Uber potentially breaking out. Yeah, Nvidia is kind of meh. Mara sold off. SMCI was nice, like Pierre had it. Let's see what Microsoft is doing. PLTR lost the VWAP. So see, that's another example of you should really get out of your break-even point.
Wow, Google's just sold off here. Hey, I'll be back in a sec.
Uber. Why Uber is popping up? Is it something with robotaxi and stuff, or?
Don't know.
That's a good question.
Yeah.
All right, Brian is going to strangle someone in the room.
Putting the cat outside.
I didn't know that you have a cat.
It's being annoying. Oh,
Brian, is
seeing
that true that you're a serial killer?
Yeah. Could be. See, look, you got the hood. Could be a serial killer. Could be a hacker too. All right. Well, unfortunately, AMD's back below 32.
SMCI. Fucking SMCI, yeah. I'm gonna jump in SMCI 39.63, taking a big position for a pop to 39.80. I sold my house. I'm not sitting here watching SMCI going up. You do only once. All right, so I'm scalping SMCI 39.66. Let's see if we can get to 39.80.
Yeah, SMCI's got a nice run going.
Kind of chasing it though. Let's see if we can go to 40, 39.
Okay, I'm I'm out of AMD.
What's Tesla doing? Tesla is interesting, huh?
Tesla, yeah, I don't know. It looks kind of choppy.
Looks like a
It's
kind of.
it's sitting below the 9 EMA on the 2-minute chart, which tells me it's in a downtrend still till it breaks there.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a long on double bottom, long on Tesla at 418.50. See if you can get a pop on Tesla. Stop loss would be below 416.25. Like as a double bottom, like 5 minutes is making higher and higher low. SMCI, I'm still in there. I'm adding a little bit more on SMCI at 39.50.
Nvidia's breaking out. Yeah, Uber pulled right back.
See if Tesla can hold this 418. Back to the VWAP. If not, I'm gonna get stopped out at 416.50. SMCI, let's see if this pullback can go back. It's PLTR doing. PLTR lost it completely, huh?
Yeah, nothing much is really sticky. Google's really choppy. It's not worth even watching. Tesla's choppy. Watching AMD. It's pulling back to the 9 EMA on the 2-minute chart. The Qs and the SPY are really not, they haven't done anything. Yeah, it's been like flatlining. And AMD looks like it wants to sell off here, but it does have some orders.
All right, Tesla is going. Here we go. Come on, Tesla. Back to the VWAP. Come on,
Maybe
do Tesla.
take another option trade on Tesla. That last one worked out real well. See what the
also pops back up. That would be nice.
See what the 420 puts are looking like, or calls are looking like. I don't know. AMD, damn, what it's selling off now.
Right, so let's see if SMCI can go one more time for the break of 5 today. And Tesla back to VWAP. That would be really interesting. Honestly, SMCI was a really bad trade. Like I shouldn't have chased it. All right, but Tesla has the potential to go higher.
Yeah, Wall Street bets. Tesla calls. Well, they're probably sitting, I mean, the premium on them is pretty high. So, I mean, if you're playing them, I'm day trading them. I'm not taking them. So it's a little bit different. I have a little bit more control over my risk. But they can be pretty challenging. Ah, look at that. AMD came right back down to the VWAP. Look at that. That's a nice pattern, nice setup too on AMD. Where's Peter? Peter should be trading this. Look at this, topped out here, made a lower high here on that attempt to go higher, and then we just made a lower low, lower low, lower low. Really nice move. That's kind of one I missed.
Let's see if
He's just watching.
all right, SMCI is dropping, guys. I'm gonna get stopped out of SMCI. I'm all out of SMCI, really.
Shit. Should be short. AMD. Damn. All right. right. Well, whatever. Who would have thought AMD couldn't hold up? Nobody loves AMD.
I got to stop down on SMCI. That was a really bad loss, and shouldn't have chased it up there. Let's see if Tesla can go back up. If not, that's it. That's the end of my trading in Costa Rica.
What are you doing in San Jose?
I actually don't do much. I didn't really find anything in.
The San Jose is not much of a city. It's like, when I flew down there, it was like stay overnight and then get out of Dodge.
Yeah, exactly. Like that's exactly
Yeah.
what I'm thinking. All right, Tesla is going up. Tesla is my hope to get some long on it. Back to the revamp. Adding a little bit more at 420. Um,
I'm sure.
let's see if
I'm
Tesla can
short.
go.
I'm short AMB here at 130.80. So I'm just seeing if it can, if it gets back above the VWAP, I'll stop out. But I'm thinking it's going to head lower here.
Did the SPY made new all-time high yesterday or no?
Yes. Yeah, I think so. I think the SPY and the
Oh,
Q
very
and the
close. Yeah.
Qs. Yeah.
Very close. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just I'm going to cover some here at 130.55.
Guys, by the way, all the people who in P Capital, we finished the P Capital bootcamp. So everybody who made the money, I emailed them. Mike emailed them. Jeffrey, Rodney, Daniela, Dimitri, Bulens. We all emailed you to give you a PayPal address so we can actually pay you for the funded account in Capital.
Yeah.
So check your email. Some of you still haven't checked your email yet. Okay, Tesla is going up.
Yeah, Tesla's kind of leaking higher. It's gotten through some moving averages, but it still needs to get above the VWAP there. Bit of a rejection. The SPY is testing pre-market low. All right. I'm now looking for 130 on AMD. Here we go. Anybody short AMD with me? Hopefully, kind of got into it too late, but still. AMD, such a dog's breakfast.
NVIDIA short, huh? Yeah, we kind of rejected that as well.
Here we go. Oh, nice with options. Nice, Pappy. Here we go. Come on down. The price is right. 130. Oh, we are getting really close to PDC here. I'm going to cover some more right here because this is PDC. 130.16.
So Tesla is going up. Guys, I'm long Tesla, heavy size at 418. I want to see if we can get above the VWAP. So that is one of my hopes to make some loss back because I'm pretty down. Like SMCI loss was really bad. So let's see, 421, 422. Come on. Tesla loves 420, yeah. All right, I'm starting partialing on Tesla here for 2160. If it closes above the VWAP, then I might actually add more on it, but I just partial some on Tesla. Anyone long on Tesla with me at double bottom? You can see my chart also in the screen. There are two screens are being shared. One is for Brian, one is for me. Brian is sharing his his book map.
Yeah. So you can see here, like what Andrew's talking about on the book map as well. You can see here how we held this sort of 417 level a couple times. and then it was trading in a bit of a range, broke out, pulled back, but the pullback was a higher low. Next pullback, higher low. Next pullback, higher low. Another breakout. Yeah, so nice little pattern. Okay, here we go with AMD. Come on, baby. Let the good times roll. Here we go, 130. So Peter's down in Vegas. He's going to be playing poker.
Yeah, he's playing poker for a charity. I don't know what
Yeah.
that is exactly, but Tesla is coming down. My Tesla might stop me at the break-even point. Tesla short was very nice. The one that you took with puts.
Yeah. That turned out real well. That was my best trade of the day with options. Yeah, Google's horrible, just not doing anything today. Of course, it's not surprising. I mean, it's always when a stock has a monster move one day, it really needs to, digest that move, if you want to call it that. I shorted some puts, or I shorted some calls actually on Lulu. You would like that trade, Andrew? I'm naked.
Naked Brian.
Naked calls.
Naked Brian. We did see Naked Brian in Colombia. One of the things that actually was about this retreat was we saw so many naked traders.
Yeah. Too much information, right, Chris?
You know what? Actually, now that we are things. One of my buddies, Ed, he lives in UK. He emailed me and he showed me something really cool. Let me show you my screen. In Scotland, you can actually get these castles. You can see my screen. These castles in Scotland, and like these old castles. That this one, for example, sleep 28 in 13 room from 10,000 pound per night. This one is like 30 guests, 8,000 pound per night. You can actually get the retreat over there and then do the Scotland tour, whiskey tours. These are super cool. You want to do that, Brian? Like this one,
Oh,
28 guests, 14 rooms.
yeah,
Like you
Scotland's
live
amazing.
like a
Scotland's amazing. The countryside
you-
is absolutely amazing.
yeah.
When I went over there, I stayed in a castle.
You stayed in castle, like Fenton Tower. It's like not that 4,000 pound per night, including breakfast, 20 guests in 11 rooms. And then we
Hmm,
put the Bevel Traders flag up there like a boss. What do you think about that? That could be
yeah,
really nice. These are super, super cool. I
yeah. I
think the
went
next
to
one would be in the summer, we do it in Scotland.
yeah, I went to this place called Oban, and there was a castle there. Stayed in it. It was a small castle. It had like
All right, guys,
literally
Tesla. Sorry,
5
Brian.
rooms.
Tesla. I'm
Yeah, no
adding a
worries.
little bit more on Tesla. Tesla works really well. I'm adding a little bit more on Tesla, guys. I need to get out of this day profitable. So I'm adding a little bit more Tesla for red to green. Let's see if Tesla can go red to green. See it. I'm a man of my word. When I said it's going to close above the VWAP, I'm going to add. Yeah, sorry, Brian. I stopped you.
Yeah, no
Yeah.
worries. No. Yeah, no worries. We should need to talk more.
Again, guys, congratulations on Peak Capital Traders. You just have to respond to me with your and Mike with your PayPal so we can actually pay you back. The next round of Peak Capital, guys, starts in January. Again, it comes with a $50,000 funded account as well. We had um, traders like Dimitri, you just responded. Daniela. Some of you don't respond. I don't know. You don't like money? All right, let's see if Tesla can go to red to green. Surprisingly, the hotel Wi-Fi is pretty good. All right, here we go. Tesla 425. We want to go red to green on Tesla.
Yeah, nice move. Yeah. So what
Who's
did
in
you
this with
see?
me? All right, there you go. 424. Come on,
Yeah.
partially some.
Damn, I wish I'd gone along with you with calls. That would have been amazing.
Oh, nice, man. Nice, Kevin. 425, man. This Elon Musk is unbelievable. Chris. Thanks, buddy. Is that the same Chris that you were in Colombia? Are you that Chris or are you a different Chris? Nice. Oh
See
my
that?
God, Tesla. Look at Tesla, guys. There you go. I'm officially rich again.
That's the castle I stayed
PLTR?
in.
I don't know. PLTR, I don't know. Let's see if Tesla break of half today would be amazing, man.
All right. Well, I'm out of the AMD short. Yeah, Tesla.
Right, we are going up. Tesla.
There's a big order at 4:30. There's a bunch of
Oh
little
my
orders
God,
in
it's
in
gonna go
between here.
amazing. I'm partialing at 425.80. Nice. I have a big size on it too. Holy moly. I made all the losses back.
Hmm.
Andrew Aziz is a god. Guys, I'm gonna Saturday. I have a trail running race in Costa Rica, and it's been 3 weeks that I'm just drinking and overeating. So if I die, it was great seeing you all.
What have you got? A race?
Trail running race, 50
Oh,
miles in the jungle.
okay. Oh, wow. Whereabouts is it? Is
It's
it
in
to the north?
Monteverde.
Oh, okay.
All right,
There's a
Tesla. I'm still long on Tesla. If anything, I might actually add on it. 425.25. Yeah, I'm
there's a
gonna add a
butterfly.
little on Tesla here for 25.57. Let's see if you can break up half today. Because the 5 minute is super bullish. If you can get the break of half today, that would be super nice. Adding a little, my average is now 422, which is a pretty good average.
Nvidia's dropping here. It's dropping down. It's coming back down to low of day, which is S4.
And it seems that the chips are not super
Not today.
great.
Today, yesterday couldn't get enough of them. Today, it's like
Yeah, Intel is
SPY.
also such a
Ooh,
troubled company.
SPY is dropping. Careful with your ad on Tesla.
I know.
I don't.
Well, my ad is on the right at the WeWeb. Let's see what's going to happen. My average is at the WeWeb or the average price. Let's see um, if I survive this one or not.
AMD looks like it's going to leg lower here. Maybe I should still be in it. Yeah, we got some big order at 129 now on AMD.
Well, thanks for that. If anyone is in Costa Rica, San Jose tonight, maybe we can have a meetup. I know Fernando is coming, so if anyone is coming. All right, let's see if I survive this pullback on Tesla.
There's a volcano there just north of the city. You can go there and walk up to the edge.
Yeah,
And
that's the one that actually I was planning to do today. Did you do that?
yeah,
Is it worth it?
It's okay. Yeah, you look down in, and this observation area, they say you only stay there for about 5 minutes. Because
Yeah, because it's high elevation, huh?
well, no, it's not the elevation. It's all the fumes that are coming off the volcano are toxic. So
Oh, that's
they
fine.
only want you to be exposed to so much toxicity.
All right, so Tesla is back to almost VWAPs, dangerous. Arenal volcano hot spring over there, huh?
No, Arnell is way north. No, this one's close to the city. I think it's sort
Yeah,
of north of it.
that's what we were planning to do today. I think Arenal is the area that I'm actually running.
Oh, okay.
That area in
Yeah.
Monteverde area.
Yeah. You go up to La
Yeah,
Plaza. You go up to La
yeah.
Plaza. There's some cool hot springs there too. Find out where the locals go. There's these creeks that they have. Okay, so AMD is going to go lower here.
All right, so Tesla is coming down below the VWAP, so it's going to be stopping me out. Tesla. I should have, instead of add, I should have got out completely on it. I'm still in Tesla, although I don't have any hope on it. Yeah, Intel, I have it on my chart. I was reading about Intel, about how troubled this company is, and you know, even the
Mm.
Chip Act, really couldn't help Intel because they're really well behind these AI chips. So they might actually break down Intel. It's not going to be the same company.
Well, yeah,
Bloomberg has a
yeah, they're saying could be a private equity deal. Like they could take it private.
yeah.
Ooh, Nvidia is dropping here. Tesla pulled right back.
Yeah, it
The
is.
Qs.
It was such a jewelry of American manufacturing, and
Yeah.
just
Well, they're still a huge company, and they still got lots of you know, they still got lots of assets. I visited their operation in Portland, Oregon. It's an amazing
yeah.
place. They have like the parking lot is so big, they have buses to take the employees from the parking lot to the plant.
All right, so I think I'm gonna get stopped out on Tesla. I'm still holding on it, but it's a mistake, I think. NVIDIA is going down.
Nvidia is dropping. It looks a low of day. Could bounce here. Same with AMD. It's probably going to bounce here.
Tesla has become a beast. John has bought a new Tesla. I think the reason that the Tesla is moving is because John is moving his portfolio toward Tesla. He just recently bought a new Tesla.
Who was? Oh, Paris. Paris ordered the Roadster, the Tesla Roadster. He's still hoping to get it someday.
I'm not a really car person, but if I were, I would have bought a Cybertruck too. Like in addition to my Lambo, a Cybertruck. Cybertrucks are cool actually. I've seen people in Vancouver take pictures with Cybertrucks, but nobody's taking picture with my Lambo, so that says something. That tells something.
Hmm.
All right, so I'm still in Tesla. I probably shouldn't be. I had a very bad loss today on SMCI, unfortunately, bad trade. But I think I probably want to get out of Tesla.
Weren't taking you seriously, Chris. Okay, there's your bounce on Nvidia. Now, question is it going to get through the 9 EMA here? Because it's came right up to it. See what it looks like.
What was the news on Uber? Is it the robotaxi related?
I don't know. I'm not really sure. Let's see if we can see anything on trading terminal. I don't have any positions right now, so I can cruise this. Oh, wow. Is BA up that much? Get out of here. No,
All right, I'm all out of Tesla, guys. I stopped out all out of Tesla.
it's weird. I don't know why that's wrong. Yeah, see, there was a rejection at the 9 EMA on NVIDIA. Let's see if it makes a higher low on this pullback. It kind of looks like it might. Qs and SPY are, the SPY's right at yesterday's low. Qs have been selling off here. Okay. Yeah, well, the Glaxo isn't Glaxo public, so it wouldn't necessarily, the financials wouldn't necessarily be a secret. Yeah, no, I know that. Yeah, the pharma. A lot of money spent on research. Let's see, Uber is up. Let's see what we've got for news. See, look at that. Look at Nvidia. Nvidia pulled a higher low, and it's now moving up. Might the next bridge to cross here is the 20 EMA, which is where we're at right now. So it's not a great 920 setup because it's been really choppy. For a 920 setup, you really want to see some consistent movement from for the first half hour, either up or down. This has been really kind of choppy, so it's not an ideal one. Hut, let's take a look. Well, you've definitely got a level to trade against there. Sort of that 2850 level would be your, oh, look at NVIDIA. Damn it, I thought should have taken that long on that bounce.
Hot. Wow. What's the story of Hot? Why is it so volatile?
Hut is it's a Bitcoin miner, and they're actually located in Alberta.
It's a Canadian company.
Yeah, you can trade it on TSX. It's called Hut 8.
Shit, Tesla's coming back. Piece of garbage. Tesla is super choppy, difficult
Yeah,
to.
everything's really, This is kind of a hangover day. This is what I call a hangover day. This is when you get a lot of you get one great big day of trading, and then you get a lot of chop the following day. Looks like Hut is below the 9 EMA on the 2-minute chart, so it's still kind of in this sort of short-term downtrend. So that's probably why it's struggling there.
Muy bien. SPY is coming back to the VWAP. Tesla is coming back. See, as soon as I got to stop that, look at that Tesla. Everything is moving back. Is that a news or something? No.
No, it's probably just the buying brigade came in.
Yeah, buying brigade.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a long on SMCI. Let's see if SMCI can get back to the VWAP, above the VWAP. If SMCI can go above the VWAP. AMD is making a move.
Yeah, AMD's popped up here. It's gotten through the 9. Let's see if it can now get above the 20, which is right at previous day close. So I've been watching it here. Damn, shit, that
PLTR
was
is coming back up too.
yeah, a bit of That would have been a nice bounced up trade there today on
So
NVIDIA, AMD. I don't remember. What was I going to do? What's Apple doing? Apple is still green on the day.
Tesla wants to go back to break of high today, huh?
Well, it's got to get above PDC here.
PLTR, I was watching it. Yeah, I mean, I got into SMCI, which is probably not a great idea, but I don't know. I might get a stop out on SMCI again too. Let's see if it can go above the VWAP. But it looks like SMCI and PLTR kind of lost the volatility. They're just choppy trading. I had a pretty bad day today. I've got to. Uh,
I don't know what I'm going to do. Yeah, TD Uber's up because TD Cohen, I guess, had some positive things to say about the company.
DDA is down. What's SOXL doing? SOXL's been not doing much, huh? All right, well, thank you, Hilton, for nice internet. Usually internets are at the hotels are really hit and miss, but today my internet's been pretty stable.
Actually, the one is there's a lot of things to love about Costa Rica, and you can get internet almost anywhere in the city, and even in some weird locations. Like it's all public. They spend a lot of money on their education system.
You mean the you mean Wi-Fi everywhere free?
No, yeah, you can go different places and get Wi-Fi. It's just like public.
All right, Tesla's gonna go green again. This beast is unstoppable, huh? Alrighty, so I don't know what to do with SMCI. I might get out of it actually here. It was very good. My biggest loss was SMCI, which turned my day very negative, unfortunately. And if I chased it up here, I really shouldn't have chased it up all the way up to this important level. I went longer right at the resistance, which is not a good idea.
Well, SPY and Qs are coming back up here, getting some buying. Wow, Hut. That was a nice call on Hut on that double bottom. It looks like it's going back to the VWAP, which is where it's at, right, pretty close. No, VWAP's $30.
Yeah, MTJ. I mean, the problem with SMCI is it looks like its order flow is dead and there's not much going on, and I really have no business to be in there long. So that is the problem. Like Tesla has more order flow, some more activity on it. It looks like SMCI has reached really tradable that much anymore. Like it after the news came out, so
Yeah,
doesn't seem
yeah,
that it's in play anymore. So again, remember, a stock in play is super important. You don't want to be in any stock. You want to be in the stocks that are in play. Like Tesla is in play. Stocks that are near all-time high, they have fundamental news. They have, they're impacted politically. So, so the question is, SMCI can hit the high pre-market? Yes, but also it's also pure gambling now. Yeah, it doesn't seem like really has anything. So I'm actually getting out of it, even though, yeah, I'm getting out of SMCI, guys. So I had a pretty bad day today. What time is it? Yeah, 10:30, almost. Yeah, you want to be in the stocks that look at Apple, stocks that have some sort of a crazy thing in it. Like having the stocks in play concept is super, super important. Super important. Like, you don't want to just be anything. You want to be.
yeah. You want to have, you definitely want to have some volume.
All right, so that is. Apple is going back high. Microsoft is strong. SPY came above the VWAP, huh? SPY. Nothing can take this market down, huh?
No, no, there's not a thing.
Brian, tomorrow is Friday. Selling naked calls. What do you think? Yeah.
Well, like I said, I'm already naked calls in Lulu. Where,
What about Tesla 440 for tomorrow? What do we get?
I'm short the 415s. Got 75 cents for them yesterday.
Tesla. Let's see. Tesla calls tomorrow, December 13, 440. How much do we get? Wow. 440 for tomorrow. We get $2.
Uh,
25. Tesla. Wow. Wow. That's pretty good. 500, we get 8
pretty
cents.
good.
That's interesting. Tesla is not going to hit 500 by tomorrow, is it?
I don't think so. That's a long ways out, even optimistically.
440. Wow. Potentially we can. Yeah, this Tesla is. Aims.
Google's back at the VWAP. Hmm.
Yeah, Papi,
Yeah,
for sure. Tesla can hit.
yeah,
Tesla can hit 500 tomorrow for you.
yeah, yeah.
That
Oh yeah,
company doesn't surprise anybody.
yeah, that's true. Very true. Yeah, well, that's why it's such a great options trade, even on a daily basis, because it moves so much and it moves strong in one direction or the other. So you got to be very choosy about which direction you take here and what entry you get on your. Like it looks like it wants to go to 430 here. It's right at what's the pre-market? Very close to pre-market high. Very close to high of day. High of day is 420, just shy of 427. Pre-market high 427.50. It's got a tinfoil line here back at 8 o'clock. It's all close to 430. Yeah.
Righty, so now we are powered in. We have a Philips battery.
What's
So
Jared's showing us 420. 420.69. See, look at that. It pulled right back after getting very close to that high of day. AMD, yeah, pretty much did a 920 anyway. Did a 920, rolled back over. Now we're testing low of day again.
Tesla is grinding. Sorry, SPY is grinding up.
Yep, SPY is going to go green.
SPY is grinding up or leaking up, so to speak, as Brian said. Never heard.
Slowly leaking up.
I didn't know that things leak up. Absolutely interesting. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna call it a day. I had a really bad day. It seems that I should be
Giving
stop
it the
trading. I'm gonna
stop
hand it over to
trading.
Paris or anyone um, is
Anyone else?
here. Tesla potentially like tomorrow. Tesla maybe we can sell some calls or puts or something. But I think today I better stop trading. Not a good day.
Yeah, probably wise. You didn't.
Plus, also we're getting into the time of the day that I don't really have any edge.
Right.
So
Another reason not to keep trading, because it usually means you're going to lose more money. It's what I've found. So let's just see here what. Oh, look at this. AMD is going to head lower.